Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a Valentine's Day template for your Instagram story. So here we can design it via Canva. Don't forget to sign it with your account. And here there are a ton of templates that you can design for yourself. For example, this one. So you can click customize this template, and here we go. All you need to do is just simply delete or change these images with your, so here just try to detach the image. Then here you can add your own. So you can detach one by one, and you can try to type your name in here by adding text. So here you can add text by click add text box and add your name and your couples here. And also you can upload images, upload files. For example, this one, and put in here. So feel free to try. There are a ton of templates that you can customize, design for yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.